Mujahid Asari Dokubo, look at my face very well. I want to tell you that you are a big fool. You are a very stupid person. An absolute idiot, an incurable moron. In fact, your own foolishness does not have parallel anywhere. At your age, imagine what you were spewing out of your buccal cavity. You are a beggar, nothing more than that. I am ashamed of you. Look, whether you are asking Tinubu to appoint the Igbos as whatever, does not pull a strand of our hairs for any reason. We don't need it. Igbos don't want Nigeria. It is Nigeria that wants the Igbos at all costs. I, for one, I have long lost hope in Nigeria. Nigeria has nothing to offer. So I cannot trade my people for any mere mess of porridge. If it happens today, mark my words, I will defend my people with the last pint of my blood. I did not create them, so I shouldn't quarrel with whom they are and what God has made them to be. It is the will of God that they are what they are, that you are what you are, that I am what I am. So I cannot fight for God. And I cannot hate in the name of God. That is ungodly. I hope you know that very, very well. So if God does not want Christians to exist, He would not make them Christians. If God does not want the Buddhists or whatever religion to exist, they will not be there. So what I am today is by my personal conviction, and I cannot lord it over anybody. I can't. And Islam gives you that freedom of conscience. You see, lakum dinukum waliyadin, to you your religion and to me my religion. You also heard about El-Rufai talking rubbish, that they were trying to give them Southwest Muslims a sense of belonging. Which sense of belonging? Yorubas, if you are not careful, you are going to make the same monumental mistake that Afonja made. If you take this kind of people serious, called El-Rufai, he is on his own. He is on his own. I thank God those kind of statements are statements that will hasten the breakup of Nigeria. I am making it clearly. There's nothing to hide. Let me tell you one thing. I am not a Nigerian. I am a Biafran, flesh and blood. You can keep your Nigeria. It does not bother me at all for any reason.